हेलो कुसुम, नमस्ते। आप कैसे
नमस्ते।
हैं? बहुत अच्छा
नमस्ते
लगा।
मनीषा।
नमस्ते। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको मेरे चैनल पे इनवाइट करके। और सिंस वी आर लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, आई थिंक द एनर्जी विल बी रियली ब्यूटीफुल। कुसुम जी, पहले टैरो आगे पूछने के लिए सबसे पहले मैं आपकी जर्नी थोड़ी सी जानना चाहूंगी इस स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ। कैसी रही है आपकी जर्नी?
So, Manisha, I am a homemaker basically. I
ओके।
have been blessed with three beautiful daughters.
ओके।
So, when my daughters grew up, I had looked after their education. So now I wanted to do something to satisfy my soul. And eventually it so happened during pandemic,
हम्म।
like I was sitting all alone one fine day, and then I just came across some podcast on YouTube,
ओके।
and I was listening to tarot readings and all, and वो मेरा interest develop किया. I had a spiritual background earlier, but
ओके।
that was not into occult science as such.
हम्म।
So this gave me a buzz, and then one day I came across a webinar for tarot. That was with my mentor, whom I joined later, and that's how my journey began.
ओह।
I learned tarot and different other healing modalities,
ओके।
which have really helped me transform my life. And I'm looking forward to help people change and live a beautiful life.
यस। कुसुम जी, कैन यू रियली डिस्क्राइब व्हाट इज एक्चुअली टैरो? मतलब कुछ लोग एस्ट्रोलॉजी जानते हैं, न्यूमरोलॉजी जानते हैं, वास्तु के बारे में हम जानते हैं, बट टैरो इज समथिंग न्यू फॉर देम। सो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली टैरो?
So, tarot basically, this is a divination tool,
ओके।
and it's a set of 78 cards
ओके।
where we have 22 major arcana cards and we have 56 minor arcana cards, including the court cards.
ओके।
So, when we are doing a reading, we connect with the person's energy and the questions related to maybe their health, relationship, or maybe their finances. It's
ओके।
whatever question comes up, we connect with the energy of the querent and we pull out cards. It's
ओके।
basically gives us a guidance. It's not
ओके।
a prediction tools, and it is more of your energy work and the intuitive messages you receive at
ओके।
that very present moment.
Okay. Since you told about energy, intuitive messages, so is it something like magic or something? Like people say with the different names. Are there? Is this a myth or what is it like?
No, it's not a magic. You need to work on it. First
Okay.
of all, you have to have a positive mindset
Okay.
and you need to raise your vibrations through different ways of grounding, meditations. So
Mhm.
every day you need to work on yourself. You are your own healer, what I would say.
Okay.
So when you work on your own chakras through meditations, grounding exercises, affirmations, you
Hmm.
can raise your vibrations.
Okay.
And then you can work on your own problems. So
Okay.
tarot will give you a guidance, insights. And if you follow them, you are going to get the result.
Okay. So it's basically the connection of energy.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, just now you spoke about the cards. So can you describe a little bit in detail about these 78 cards?
Okay, I'll just let you know.
Yeah.
We have the major arcana cards, which are 22 in number. I'm just showing a few of them.
Yeah.
These cards, they like have different beautifully colored symbols there,
Okay.
and they have written in Roman numerals.
Okay.
So they are from 0 to 21, and
Okay.
they have a name assigned here. So
Okay.
every card has its own story
Okay.
and they talk about the major lessons in your life.
Okay.
Then we have the minor arcanas, which have four different kinds of suits.
Okay.
So the suit of wands. This suit is, you can see this. These are the sticks. These are the wands.
Wands.
Wands, this is the fire element. It
Okay.
talks about your aspirations, your courage, that fiery passion inside you.
Oh.
Then we have the cups card. The cups card talks about your emotions, your creativity, your intuitive knowledge. I'm
Okay.
just telling you about a few of them.
Yes.
You have the swords card. This is
Hmm.
the air element. The air element talks about your logical thinking, then about your communication skills, your mindset.
Okay.
And then we have the pentacles, the earth element. This
Okay.
talks about more of materialistic things, your relationship, your health. So basically, these cards talk about your day to day
Oh,
activities in your life. Then we have the four different code cards. They
okay.
are named as pages. They belong to the all four suits. They are named as pages, knights, queens, and kings.
Hmm.
So these are refer to the situations, personality, or people
Okay.
playing a role in your life.
So whenever we take out the cards, how do you say ki I need to pull this card or I need to pull this card? Is there
So
a format for it?
we connect. There is basically this is energy work. So we connect with the querent's energy. The
Okay.
questions they want, we connect with it. This is through a connection with our higher self, the
Hmm.
fifth dimension or the fourth dimension, and then we connect and we pull out the cards intuitively.
Okay. So every time you pull out the same number of cards or they're
No, it
different
depends.
for.
There are different spreads. So
Okay.
for a day-to-day activity for myself, we can like pull out a card. How is the day going to be? Or what are the lessons I need to do today? So you
Okay.
can write a journal about it.
Okay.
So that is a one card reading. Then you
Okay.
have three card reading, which may be about your past, present, and future.
Hmm.
So it has the past, whatever has happened, you may relate
Okay.
with it, the present situation, and the guidance for your future.
Okay.
And then they have different spreads. It may be a five card spread, it may be a seven card spread, that is the horseshoe spread, and the most major spread is the Celtic cross, which is a 10 card spread.
Oh,
So it gives you in depth knowledge about your situation.
okay. Okay. So how do you see like tarot readers who are there? Like, is it good business form like for a person to earn?
Yes, you can earn if you, but you have, if you have that mindset only to earn,
Hmm.
so that is different. It is more of energy work, what I would say. You
Yeah.
have to be very true to yourself. And even while giving readings, you shouldn't scare the person. And whatever it is, you have to put it up very profoundly.
Hmm.
And always there are remedies and rituals which we give along with the cards.
Okay.
But I would say there's nothing called ki this card is bad or the energy is bad.
That's what I
There
was
are
asking about it. Like, is there some negativity in it? Like, जिसको सुनने से हमें लगे कि बाप रे मेरे को तो नहीं
never,
सुनना
never,
है.
never. I don't say that there is any negativity. Like there's a death card in the
Hmm.
tarot major arcana.
Okay.
Seeing this or hearing this by name, you may feel death. But
Yeah.
this card talks about transformation,
Oh.
leaving behind the old, to
Oh.
letting go. And
Okay.
transformation आएगा कैसे when you see this person, I just want to describe, is sitting on a
Yeah.
white horse with the armor
Yes.
and a black flag. There is a
Yes.
priest, a child, blood around. So this basically is, you may feel he's come from a battlefield.
Okay.
So it may be कि पास्ट में बहुत कुछ हुआ है, मेंटल स्ट्रेस हुआ है, वट एवर, और
Hmm.
रिलेशनशिप्स वर
Hmm,
नॉट गुड.
hmm.
So it's saying it's okay. You need to transform, work on your own self, and
Okay.
then you come out with a better person, better individual, and a better energy.
Oh. So
So no
every
card is
card
like,
tells you
so
something different.
yeah, death card. So it's the way you interpret. Then we have this fool card.
Yes.
So this person you see, this is a traveler, very carefree. You have a yellow color background that talks about positivity. This person is carrying a small bag
Hmm.
on his shoulder. This
Hmm.
is the potentials he had been carrying from the past, whatever
Okay.
knowledge he had.
Okay.
And then he's standing at the cliff. He's
Hmm.
very carefree. And
Okay.
there's a dog there, a
Yes.
white rose in his hand. There's a rose flower in his hand. So
Yes.
that white rose is talking about purity. And this dog is talking about some loyal person. So maybe when he's taking this leap of faith and walking a new step and taking a new action in his life, He is
Hmm.
having whatever knowledge he is carrying, he's
Hmm.
carrying with, he's trusting the universe.
Universe.
Taking this leap of faith, he's moving forward.
Okay.
Yes, I will do something better. तो यही हो गया ना, you have a positive mindset.
Mindset. Okay.
So,
आपने अभी दिखाया कि they are all numbered. So do
yes.
these numbers also signify something in a
Yes,
card?
numerologically it is. So zero says infinity.
Okay.
So there everything has a meaning. So the more you go in depth, so now we have another card. Card number 10, the Wheel of Fortune. You will see a red wheel here,
Wheel.
and then there are four different spirit animals here. And
Okay.
you know what this wheel represents? It
Mm-hmm.
represents the cycle's wheels also. So
Okay.
the wheel of the cycle keeps moving, and same way our life is moving. We may
Okay.
have good times and bad times. It says don't give up.
Yes.
So it says you look forward. Something better is always there for you.
Yes.
So life may things will happen, seasons come and go. So good
Ah,
bad times will also go. Just go with the flow.
the
Whatever is
flow.
happening, don't resist yourself.
Okay. Okay. So I just wanted to ask, do these cards also suggest certain remedies?
Yes, we have certain remedies that is based on the questions you put up, the situations you put up. We may
Okay.
give you some energy healing codes or switch words or some other remedies like to offer to your planets. It all
Okay.
depends on whatever you have it in your reading.
Okay. So whenever a client comes you, so how do you guide a client? What is the process for you? Like,
Process is like, first of all, ask the person to be in a calm state, put up your questions, and then we do the reading. So
okay.
sometimes we may help with through the crystals also.
Okay.
We do suggest bracelets or crystal tumble stones because
Hmm.
crystals also give you energy.
Okay.
They are related with Mother Earth. Then we have some kind of affirmations to be said.
Hmm.
Suppose a person has relationship issues.
Okay.
Maybe that person himself or herself is not loving her own self. So when you're not giving self love to yourself, the world around is not going to give you love also. So
Yes.
where we put up some mirror exercises.
Okay.
So these small steps, if are taken,
Hmm.
can really help. And whatever rituals or affirmations or anything we are giving you, it is a minimum of 21 days. And
Oh,
even the reading, whatever we read for you, this energy is there for you for 21 days.
okay. So the second reading should come only after
Only after
21
21
days
days.
by the client.
Yes. And the more you work on yourself, maybe some kinds of meditations on your chakras, if we
Hmm.
find like your chakras are imbalanced,
Hmm.
because chakras also play an important role. So
Yes,
we
yes.
help you there.
Okay, okay.
The small remedies can help you attain whatever you want.
Yes, yes.
But that is, you have to put in your 100%.
Percent. Very true, very true. The client has to put in
Yeah.
100%.
So it's not that the tarot reader has a magic wand. That is a myth, I would say. But
Yeah.
it is the tarot reading is an intuitive reading, and it gives you clarity on whatever you are wanting to know.
Okay, right. So it's basically not the prediction, it is
No.
guiding you for the future.
Yes, it is a guidance. And
Okay.
even in the present, with the
Hmm.
help of tarot insights,
Hmm.
you can frame your life in a better manner.
Oh, good.
Maybe you're going for some important
Yes,
decisions. You
yes.
may not have that much of confidence. So
Hmm.
we just help you with the cards or some other switch words or
Hmm.
energy circles are there. So
Hmm.
they help you.
Oh, so
There is a
that's,
card. Yes.
yeah, that's
So
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 nice to
this
know.
card is there. The magician. It
Oh,
says you have all the resources and the
okay.
universe is there to bless you. It's time for you to take the action.
Action.
So
Very.
if you take the action with all the available resources, you will get the results of your hard work.
So I think the clients will also get the results of their hard work.
Yes,
Um,
yes.
आप जल्दी से अपने कांटेक्ट डिटेल्स बता दीजिए ताकि जो देखने वाले हैं जल्द से जल्द आपसे कनेक्ट हो सके इन रीडिंग्स के लिए।
So I am Kusum Bed, and I have my Insta handle, The Wheel of Life, and my phone number is 9830072950.
Okay.
So
So viewers, her name, phone number and Insta ID is flashing on your screens. So आप जल्दी से इनसे कनेक्ट कीजिए जिस तरह से इन्होंने बताया है। आई थिंक द कार्ड्स आर रियली मैजिकल और जरूर हम सबको गाइड करेंगे आगे के लिए। Thank you so much, Kusumji, for your time and energy. It was really nice connecting with you for this short and brief conversation. And hopefully, we'll connect again for some new topic with you. Thank
thank you,
you.
Manisha. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much
Thank you so much.
for giving
Bye.
me this opportunity and looking forward for some more positive interactions with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.